Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are doing well. Today I'm back with one of the most interesting video. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you one of the most amazing feature of WhatsApp. WhatsApp is rolling out new update to send view once voice messages. Okay, so for this guys, first you need to update the WhatsApp on your phone. To update the WhatsApp, go to the Google Play Store and search the WhatsApp and update the app. Okay, after updating, open the WhatsApp and open your WhatsApp chat which you want to send the voice messages view once. Okay, and here you can get the microphone icon in the chat section. Just tap and hold on it and slide on lock logo like this. Okay, now it will start the recording. Record your voice message before sending. Here you can get the option view once. Just tap on one like this, and here you can get voice message set to view once. Okay, and then tap on send button like this. Okay, now this message was sent as a view one voice message. Okay, so before this guys, you can send view one only text messages. Now you can also send view one's voice messages also. Okay, so that's it for today guys. I hope you enjoy this video. If you enjoy, please guys like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you very much.